Initially, I thought the first time I'd worked with Theatr was when I first joined Technocamps in 2017. But then a few years later, when we were discussing their new production, The Trial of Elgin Jones, it suddenly felt kind of familiar. And then I remember 20 years before, when I was in years 5 or 6, I think it was, I had actually seen that production myself.
I think the impact it's had is in those children that, you know, when we do theatre and plays, then you've got a certain amount of children that absolutely love theatre and love the live aspect of it. And then there are always going to be children that actually engage in computer science and science, things like that, so that perhaps theatre isn't the thing for them. But so the collaboration helps us to meld those together, and I think that's what it does. It just gives a broad education.
The workshop was brilliant. The children, their motivation, enthusiasm they demonstrated throughout the lesson was fantastic. Seeing them smiling, the little wins that they had each time they successfully coded was brilliant.
Rydw i wedi dysgu sut I fel gwneud data. My most favourite part is when we had to connect the microbit to the laptop, and then the little smiley face just popped up on the little microbit.
The great thing for me is that we are able to give the kids a holistic view of education. It's not a history show, it's not a literacy show, we're not just looking at one thing in isolation. We're able to put together all 6 areas of learning to show the children that education just doesn't fit into any one pigeonhole.
Wedi dysgu am sut mae fel robot yn gallu symud y pethau oherwydd mae pobl defnyddio pethau fel hwn I symud fel punches a pethau.
Seeing the play, I really loved the things that they told us, like never quit.
Technology is a lot of what the children's lives are becoming and in the future will become, and to use that to manipulate their views and to challenge their views is a fantastic bonus.
Mae yn gallu bod tymor bach yn galed, ond mae'n okay, yeah.
Mae codio'n difficult iawn, ond mae fe'n blast I wneud e.
I've learned that coding is more fun than I used to think it was.
The children thoroughly enjoyed it, and it was brilliant from my point of view to see the successes taking part, and having them up, active and collaborating with each other throughout was amazing as well.
And I know the kids around South Wales benefited greatly from our collaboration.